Good morning, Amundson's class.
Good morning, Mr. Binder.
I meant afternoon, because it's afternoon. Right? It's afternoon? Yes? No?
Yeah.
See? 12:26 or so. All right, 5.1, multiplying fractions by whole numbers. Can you multiply fractions by whole numbers?
Yes.
All right, factor is a big word. A factor, we said, is a number that easily goes into...
Another number.
Say again?
Another number.
Factors help us to do what to fractions? What do factors help us do to fractions? Helps us to reduce fractions. Excellent. Product is an answer to what kind of problem? Reduce means simply to...
Simplify.
And when we reduce, we divide the numerator and denominator by a...
Factor.
Factors help us to reduce, and common factors help us to reduce the numerator and denominator of a fraction. Awesome. All right, understanding fractions. Okay, under every whole number, there is an invisible...
1.
So, guys, gals, we have the number 6, yeah?
Yeah.
If I said turn 6 into a fraction, you would simply write a fraction bar and a 1, yes?
Yes.
Because we know a fraction is what kind of problem?
Division problem.
Say again?
Division problem.
And if we take that fraction 6 over 1 and divide it, you get back to 6, yes?
Yes.
Can the same thing work with the variable?
Yes.
Yeah, just put it over 1. All right, so when multiplying a fraction by a whole number, we put a 1 under the whole number, and then we multiply straight across. So kind of an important note there. Let's look and see what that looks like. Here's my fraction 1/6. Here's my number 24. We're multiplying 1/6 by 24, yes? I don't like multiplying a fraction by a whole number. Easier for me if I can change this whole number into a fraction, right? So I rewrote my problem as 1/6 times 24 over 1. Yes, no? When we multiply fractions, you multiply this number by this number. What are those numbers called? Say again? So we multiply our numerators and we multiply our...
Denominator.
Our final answer is 24 over 6, right?
Yes. No.
Is this our final answer?
No.
Why?
That's
Why is it not our final answer, though? It's an improper fraction, so we need to divide it and get either a whole number or a mixed number, right? Question. Is it okay to multiply fractions with unlike denominators?
Yes.
You can do that?
Yes.
Can a fraction problem that we're multiplying have a final answer that is still a fraction?
Yes.
It doesn't necessarily have to be a whole number all the time, does it?
No.
It can be a fraction, yes?
Yes.
We good?